Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this 57 Chevy Bel Air is body off the frame restored. It's nut and bolt redone. But what really sets it apart from the other 57s is the color. The Harbor Blue is just beautiful. You don't see it that often. You go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price, not only on this one. We have a few hundred collector cars and they're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 57 Chevy. Yeah, isn't that just eye-popping? I mean, this stands out. You know, the red ones are beautiful, but you see them in red. You don't see this. And it's got about 1,100 miles since the body off the frame restoration. They removed the body. The chassis was all completely taken apart and restored like new. Chassis all painted. All new components under there. The front end was all apart, rebuilt, ball joints, bushings, shocks all the way around. Brake system was all rebuilt. Has the emergency brake cable assembly is all hooked up. The dual exhaust system has stainless steel pipes. You look up at the motor, it's super clean. It has the correct canister type screw-in filter, power glide transmission. The drive shaft has the correct assembly line markings. The rear end was all apart. The front of it is in primer, and the back, the housing's in black. The fuel system looks new. So everything under there, even the nuts and bolts and hardware and clamps, everything looks practically new. The floors are painted the same color of the car. So the underbody is all blue, chassis is all black. It's really nice looking. And again, more importantly, looks like everything's been rebuilt. The body is absolutely straight. Before every video, I go around and I look and I feel all along the bottom. Just in case I don't see something, I'll feel if there's a bubble. There's no bubbles on this car anywhere, and it is absolutely laser straight. You look across the hood, you look down the side, you look across the roof, it's straight everywhere. So no damage, no rust, no bubbles. I didn't see anything. Maybe I missed something somewhere, a little nick or something, but I mean, it's practically like new or better than new. I don't think it looked this good new. All of the chrome and stainless has been replaced or restored. All of these stainless moldings, all of this, all the Bel Air trim, all of it is either straightened and polished or it's replaced. All the glass all the way around is new with new gaskets. So back here, you got optional reverse lights, the bumper, the emblem, everything is like new. If you don't remember, this is where you put the gas, and it has a factory optional locking gas cap. The rims are painted to match, reproduction hubcaps with spinners, radial whitewall tires. It still has the nubs on the tread. So there's hardly any miles on those tires. This side's just as nice. Look at the gaps. Fits flush. You feel it with your hand. It's smooth. There's no bubbles, no cracking. Correct mirror, correct antenna. Even the wipers are shiny. It's all super nice. Everything up here, the rockets, the emblems, the lenses, the grille, all of that looks like it's been replaced. Has a power pack 283 motor, so that includes the 4-barrel, and it's the original 4-barrel with the choke tube, the glass fuel filter bowl, the right air cleaner, the Chevrolet script valve covers, and again, every nut, bolt, clip, everything in here looks like it's been restored or replaced. And everything's stock. The right hoses and clamps, the generator looks like it's restored. All the steering components. Has the optional electric wipers, batteries bolted down, does have a disconnect switch. hinges look like they're new. The hood latch looks like it's new. Everything's painted a smooth satin black, but the firewall's painted the color of the car. Interior's redone. I sat in the seat. It feels nice and firm. All the upholstery, carpet, headliner, door panels, all redone back to factory condition. There is a cardboard panel back here, and I noticed it's bowed up. I don't know if they'll just push back down or not, but that's minor. I'm sure it will push down. Okay, we got a pile of keys here. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, that was good. Trunk compartment's beautiful. It's all painted blue. The little insulation pads, the rubber, the bolts, the latch, the seat divider, the decal, the rubber mat, all that's been replaced. It has a blue rim with a radial tire for spare. Jack is restored. Comes with a, it's either a bag full of cash or it's a car cover. I'm not even going to open it. So you might get a big old bag full of money. Who knows? Doors open and close and fit real nice. It's got blue seat belts front and back. All the metal inside the car, the dash, the window trim, it's all repainted as slick as the outside. The clock I noticed was ticking. The trim across the dash has been replaced. Has a retro stereo. The handles and cranks and armrests all look really nice. Heater control, the whole panel looks new. The gas gauge and temperature gauge look original. They're a little discolored, a little faded. Horn ring under the dash all looks beautiful. Look at the hinges, or jambs I mean, are beautiful. New rubber, the latches, the nuts and bolts. Everything's just in excellent shape. So now, here's the part where we fire it up. That just purrs, doesn't it? The welting around the door opening, the mirror, it's a day-night mirror. The visors are excellent. The glove box is clean. The light works. There's an owner's manual in there. Runs nice and smooth. Actually, that motor's real smooth. There's not even a tick, not any kind of a sound. This hood lines up really nice and fits really nice and flush. One of the best fitting hoods I've seen. License plate light works. There you have it. Gorgeous blue 57 Chevy, 1,100 miles since body off frame restored, and possibly a bag full of cash in the trunk. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to get a hold of the salespeople. I just gave you my honest impression of this car. They can answer any specific concerns or questions you have about the car. They also make the financing, delivery, and paperwork really easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one we post. Thanks for watching.